Hi everyone, मैं ट्विंकल नॉलेज टेक यूट्यूब चैनल पर समस्त भारत स्वागत आशा କରୁଛି ଆପଣମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲରେ ଥିବେ ଆମେ ପୂର୍ବ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଜିକେର ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଇୟରର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍କୁ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଯାହା ଥିଲା ଆମର ଫରେଷ୍ଟର ଏବଂ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଗାର୍ଡର 25 ତାରିଖର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଥିଲା ସେଇ ଦିନର ମୁଁ ଆଜି କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରର 3ଟା ଯାକ ସେଟ୍ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍କୁ ଆଣିଛି ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଭିଡିଓ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ନିହାତି ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦେବେ ସେୟାର କରିବେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିବେ ଏବେ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଉପରକୁ ଯିବା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଖିବା କଣ ଅଛି Which shortcut key is used to remove one line space preceding a paragraph? Option ଅଛି Ctrl plus 0, Ctrl plus 5, Ctrl plus 2, Ctrl plus 1. Correct ହେଉଛି first option Ctrl plus 0. Next question. What is the function of the DNS domain name system on the internet? Domain name system जो DNS ରହିଲା ତାର function କଣ? Option ଅଛି convert domain name into IP addresses, secure data transmission, control website access, manage email communication. Correct answer ହେଉଛି first option convert domain names to IP addresses. Next question. ASSCII is a coding system that provides ASSCII କେତେଟା character କୁ provide କରୁଛି? Option ଅଛି 128 different character, 136 different character, 182 different character, 144 different character. Correct answer ହେଉଛି first option 128 different characters. What does the term email mean? Email ର ମାନେ କଣ? Option ଅଛି efficient mail, encrypted mail, electrical mail, electronic mail. Correct answer ହେଉଛି last option electronic mail. Next question. How many function keys are there in a keyboard? ତ keyboard ରେ ଆମର କେତେଟା function key ରହିଛି? Option ଦେଇଛି 10, 84, 12, 100 and 4. Correct ହେଉଛି 12. F, F1, F2, F3, F4, F3 ଆମର F12 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ 12ଟି function key ରହୁଛି. Which of the following describe an intranet? Intranet କହିଲେ କଣ? Option ଅଛି global connectivity, managed by internet service provider, limited access within an organization, public access. Correct answer ହେଉଛି third option limited access within an organization. Next question. Which phrase describe an unsolicited or pointless email that is frequently sent in work? Option ଅଛି phishing, crash, trap, spam. Correct answer ହେଉଛି last option spam. Next question. Which of the following is not a mode of data transmission in networking? Networking ରେ କୋଉଟା data transmission ର ଗୋଟେ mode ରହିବ? Option ଅଛି half duplex, double duplex, full duplex, simplex. Correct answer ହେଉଛି second option double duplex. Next question. What is the fundamental distinction between internet and intranets? Internet ଏବଂ intranets ଭିତରେ କଣ ପାର୍ଥକ୍ୟ ଅଛି? Option ଦେଇଛି intranet is wireless while internet is wired. Internet is faster than intranet. Internet is for global connectivity while intranet is for local use. Internet is private while intranet is public. Correct answer was third option. Internet is for global connectivity while intranet is for local use. MS-DOS operating system is a option ଅଛି graphical user interface, multitasking OS, command driven interface, single tasking OS, graphical user interface, single tasking OS, command driven interface, multitasking OS. Correct answer ହେଉଛି first option graphical user interface, multitasking OS. Which shortcut key is used to open insert hyperlink dialog box in MS Word? MS Word ରେ hyperlink insert dialog box ରେ open କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମର କଣ shortcut key ରହୁଛି? Option ଅଛି Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus I, Ctrl plus K. Correct answer ହେଉଛି last option Ctrl plus K. Hyperlink କଥା ଆସିବ ମାନେ ଆମର ହେଇଯିବ K. What function does a firewall provide in terms of computer security? Firewall computer security ରେ କଣ provide କରେ? Option ଅଛି monitoring software, keeping computer hardware clean, protect your network from unauthorized access, improving screen brightness. Correct answer होची यार. Third option, protect your network from unauthorized access. Next question, the process of ciphertext is called option is translation, on decryption, encryption, conversion. Correct answer is third option, encryption. Next question, what is the full form of the PAN in a networking? Option is public area network, Politian area network, personal aided network, personal area network. Correct होची last option, personal area network. What is the full form of CDR? Option is compact disk read-only memory, compact disk write-one, compact disk recordable, compact disk rewritable. Correct होची third option, compact disk recordable. किंतु CD-ROM ଥିଲା ଆମର ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା compact disk read-only memory. ଏଠି ଆମର ଅଛି CDR, R ହେଇଯିବ ଆମର recordable. Next question, the primary purpose of an operating system is option is to make computer easier to use, to allow people to use computer, to keep system programmers employed, to make the most efficient use of the computer hardware. Correct was the last option, to make the most efficient use of computer hardware. Next question ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା. Which tool do you use to create query object? Query object ପାଇଁ କୋଉ tool ଆମର use କରା ହୁଏ? Option ଅଛି database wizard, simple query wizard, simple filer wizard, table query wizard. Correct answer ହଉଛି ଆମର third option. Second option, simple query wizard. Next question. What specifically is the main function of a backup in an operating system? An operating system में backup ର कौन function which option ଅଛି sorting file alphabetically, increasing screen resolution, making duplicates of crucial files to avoid data loss, allocating memory space. Correct होची third option, making duplicates of crucial files to avoid data loss. In dash topology, the network consists of direct link between two computers. Option is point to point. Was linear. Correct was first option, point to point. Next question. In computer security, that means that computer system assets can be modified only by authorized parties. Option is confidentiality, availability, integrity, authenticity. Correct answer to third option, integrity. Next question. Which of the following is the file extension compressed file? Compressed file ର file extension କଣ ହବ ଆମର? ଏହାର correct answer ହଉଛି third option, .zip. File extension compressed file ହଉଛି .zip. Which one is most popular pointing device? Pointing device popular शब्द कौन हम जानिछे? Mouse. The option second ହେଇଯିବ ଆମର correct answer. Next question. What is the purpose of an email's reply all function? Option is reply to all recipient of the email, reply to the sender only, delete the email, forward the email to other. Correct होଉଛି ଆମର first option, reply to all recipient of the email. Next question. Which of the following is not an antivirus software? Option is APG, MCAFE, WordPad, Doctor. Correct होची WordPad. What is the smallest and largest font size available? Option is 8 and 64, 12 and 72, 12 and 64, 8 and 72. Correct होची last option, 8 and 72. Next question. Dash is an electronic version of sending and receiving letter. Option is e-banking, e-letter, e-shopping, email. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି last option, email. Next question. A paper printout of a document is known as option is clear output, permanent output, soft copy output, hard copy output. Correct ହେଉଛି hard copy output. Next question. Artificial intelligence is an example of which generation? तो AI ଟା ଆମର କୋଉ generation ର option ଅଛି second, fourth, fifth, third. Correct ହଉଛି third option, fifth generation. Program tasks, program that ask server for services are called option ଅଛି host, programs, clients, users. Correct answer ହଉଛି third option, clients. Next question. Which protocols are used to connect to internet over dial-up links? Option is ring and on, FDDI and MIN, ULT and TIP, UIT and TIP, PPP and SLIP. Correct answer হচ্ছে first option, ring and on. Next question. Which of the following function is used to return the current date and time in Excel? Our correct answer হচ্ছে option second, now. Next question. Select the correct order of the different phases of virus execution. तो virus execution ର different phase ଦେଇଛି, କୋଉଟା correct answer ଆମେ ବାଛିବା। ତ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମର ଆସିବ dormant phase, ତାପରେ ଆସିବ propagation phase, ତାପରେ ଆସିବ triggering phase, ତାପରେ ଆସିବ execution phase। ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମର option last ଟା ହେଇଯିବ correct answer. Next question. The errors that can be found out by a compiler are option ଅଛି linker error, internal error, syntax error, logic error. Correct answer হচ্ছে third option, syntax error. Next question. A word processor would be used best to option to work out income by expenses, paint a picture, draw a diagram, type a story. Correct answer होची last option, type a story. Next question. Which of the following is equal to 1 megabyte? 1 megabyte বা 1 MB ଟା କାହା ସହିତ ସମାନ? 1024 KB ସହିତ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ first option ହେଇଯିବ ଆମର correct answer. An organization responsible for providing internet services to customer is commonly known as option ଅଛି TCP or IP, ISP, MIME, GIA. ଏହାର correct answer ହଉଛି second option, ISP. Next question. Yes is the electronic transfer of a business transaction between sender and receiver computer. Option is electrical data interchange, electronic data interchange, electronic diagram information, electronic device interchange. Correct answer is electronic data interchange. Option second is correct. Which statement is about thread is true? Option ଅଛି thread switching needs interaction with the operating system. A thread is called heavyweight process. A thread can exist outside a process. Each thread belongs to exactly one process. Correct होची last option. Each thread belongs to exactly one process. Firewalls are used to protect against option अछि virus attack, unauthorized access, data driven attack, fire attacks. यार correct answer होची second option, unauthorized access. Next question. Tablet PC is a type of option ଦେଇଛି PC କହିଲେ personal computer. ଆମେ ଯୋଉ personal computer tablet use କରୁଛେ ସେଟା କୋଉ computer ରେ example ବୋଲି ପଚାରିଛି। Option ଦେଇଛି micro computer, mainframe computer, mini computer, super computer. Correct answer ହଉଛି first option, micro computer. Which of the following is not a type of network? କୋଉଟା ଗୋଟେ network ର type ନୁହଁ। Option ଦେଇଛି PAN, LAN, WAN, WAN. Correct answer ହଉଛି PAN. Next question. Which of the following is not an error detection method? କୋଉଟା error detection method ର ଗୋଟେ ନୁହଁ, କୋଉଟା ଗୋଟେ error detection method ନୁହଁ। Option ଅଛି checksum, CRC, cyclic random check, simple parity check. ଏହାର correct answer ହଉଛି third option, cyclic random check. In Excel, Dash allows users to bring together copies of workbook that other users have worked on independently. Option ଅଛି pasting, compiling, merging, copying. Correct answer ହଉଛି third option, merging. Next question. Which of the following operating system reads and reacts actual time? Option ଅଛି quick response system, real-time operating system, time sharing system, batch processing system. Correct answer होची second option real time operating system. Storage area for email messages is called option होची mail address, mail area, mailbox, mail messages. Correct होची third option mailbox. Next question, magnetic ink card reader MICR mainly used in the gas industry. Option is education, mining, construction, banking. Correct होची last option banking. Next question, when the computer users has a document, they change its appearance. Option is save, format, edit, create. Correct answer होची third option edit. Next question, a user datagram protocol socket has a header field that helps to verify whether data packets transmitted on a network have reached its correct destination. What is the minimum length allowed for a UDP header to hold information about data packet? Option is 8 bytes, 20 bytes, 16 bytes, 24 bytes. Correct logic, first option 8 bytes. Next question. Which shortcut key can be used to break the current column? Current column to break କରିବା ପାଇଁ कौन शॉर्टकट की यूज करें हुए ऑप्शन देखिए कंट्रोल प्लस एंटर अल्टो प्लस एंटर अल्टो शिफ्ट एंटर कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एंटर करेक्ट होची लास्ट ऑप्शन कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस एंटर व्हाट इज द साइबर सिक्योरिटी ऑडिट्स मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑप्शन अच्छी to identify and address security vulnerabilities to improve scale resolution to encrypt network traffic to boost internet performance. Correct answer होची to identify and address security vulnerabilities. What is the role of regular software update in computer security? Option is providing name computer feature, enhancing printer performance, improving keyboard functionality, fixing security vulnerabilities. ଏହାର correct answer होची last option, fixing security vulnerabilities. What is the purpose of an intranet firewall? Intranet firewall ର purpose କଣ? Option ଅଛି enhance internet speed, ensure secure internal communication, connect to external network, restrict internal communication. Correct answer होची ensure secure internal communication. Second option ଆମର correct. Shortcut dash is used to select all graphic and text in Word document. Document ର all graphic ଏବଂ text କୁ select କରିବାର shortcut key କଣ? Option ଦେଇଛି control plus T plus C, control plus C, control plus A, control plus C. Correct होଛି control plus A. Next question. Alignment buttons are available on option ଅଛି standard, object formatting status. Correct answer होଛି formatting toolbar. Next question. Which component of an email message usually contains the sender's name, email address, and the date of the email? Option ଅଛି header, signature, body, subject. Correct answer होची first option header. Next question. Which of the following is twice the size of A44? Option ଅଛି A3, A0, A1, A8. Correct होची first option A3. The shortcut key to print Word document is option अछि control plus B, control plus D, control plus A, control plus B. Correct होछि control plus B. The single dot on a computer screen is called option अछि pixel, resolution, cell, patch. Correct answer होछि first option pixel. Next question. What is the primary difference between a single-user OS and a multi-user OS? Single-user OS and multi-user OS ମଧ୍ୟରେ difference କଣ? ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B. Single-user OS allows only one user to access the system at a time, while multi-user OS allows multiple users simultaneously. Next question. Which is not a function of hardware in computer? Option ଅଛି processing, programs, communication, storage. Correct होची second option programs. Next question. Database is a collection of data are arranged in option ଅଛି paragraph, rows and column, rows. Correct answer ହେଉଛି rows and columns. Next question. In computers, what does the phrase software mean? Option ଅଛି program and application, storage device, peripheral device, physical component of a computer. Correct answer ହେଉଛି programs and applications. Next question. What is the full form of CC field in an email? Email ରେ CC ର full form କଣ? Option ଅଛି complete communication, content copy, carbon copy, centralized control. Correct answer ହେଉଛି carbon copy. Next question. Which of the following is the low-level software that support a computer's basic functions such as scheduling, task, and controlling peripherals? Option ଅଛି operating system, network bus, processor, motherboard. Correct answer ହେଉଛି ଏହାର first option, operating system. Next question. What is the full form of MAN in? Option ଅଛି metropolitan area network, medium area networking, maintaining area network, metropolitan access network. Correct answer ହେଉଛି first option, metropolitan area network. Next question. What is the primary purpose of a Wi-Fi router in a network? Option ଅଛି convert digital signal to analog signal, provide electrical power to connected device, connect local network to other local network or to the internet, transmit data over long distances. Correct ହେଉଛି third option, connect local network to other local network or to the internet. Next question. Dash is a person who creates and modifies computer software and hardware for either negative or positive reason. Option ଅଛି hacker, programmer, criminal, tracker. Correct answer ହେଉଛି first option, hacker. An antivirus is option ଅଛି program code, hardware, computer, application, software. Correct ହେଉଛି last option, application, software. What does the abbreviation SMTP refer to the context of an email communication? SMTP option ଅଛି server mail transfer process, secure mail transmission protocol, simple mail transfer protocol, systematic mail transmission protocol. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି simple mail transfer protocol. Third option. Next question. This is the transmission of data between two or more computer over communication link. Option ଅଛି data communication, networking, communication, data networking. Correct ହେଉଛି first option, data communication. Which of the following is a non-volatile memory? Option ଅଛି cache memory, HDD, DRAM, RAM. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି second option, HDD. Next question. Which of the following software application would be the most appropriate for performing numerical and statistical calculation? Option ଅଛି PowerPoint, graphic package, database, spreadsheet. Correct answer ହେଉଛି last option, spreadsheet. Which type of storage device does not lose data even when the power is switched off? Option ଅଛି RAM, HDD, USB file, cache memory. Correct ହେଉଛି HDD. Next question. What is the purpose of cookies in web browsing? Option ଅଛି secure data transmission, enhance website design, track user preference and activity, provide internet access. Correct answer ହେଉଛି third option, track user preferences and activity. What is the primary function of a web server in both internet and intranet environment? Option ଅଛି control internet speed, encrypt intranet data, manage internal email, host websites and web application. Correct answer ହେଉଛି last option, host website and web application. ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଭିଡିଓଟି ନିହାତି ଭାବରେ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିବ। ଯଦି ଭିଡିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଛି ତାହେଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଭୁଲିବେ ନାହିଁ, ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସେୟାର କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭୁଲିବେ ନାହିଁ। ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନେ ଏବେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନଲେଜ ଗାଇଡ୍ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରନ୍ତୁ, ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନକୁ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରି ଅଲ୍ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନକୁ ଅନ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Thank you so much for your love, support and valuable time. Thank you to all.